I see a lot of people searching for best credit repair companies, and if you already looked around, you probably noticed the same thing as I did. Same recycled lists, same companies being mentioned over and over, and no real context behind any of it. Most of these lists are put together by the people who've never actually gone through the credit repair themselves, or they're affiliated getting paid to rank companies in their videos or articles. So let me be clear with you. I'm not affiliated with any of these companies I'm about to mention in this video. I get no commission. There are no incentives. No reason for me to push one over the other. I'm basing this off of real situations because that's what's missing. Most lists don't include real stories, no real context, just companies ranked off of a hype. And that's not how this works, because when you're searching this, you're not casually browsing. You either just got denied for something important, or you're tired of being stuck where you are, or you're just trying to level up your life or business, and your credit is holding you back. So instead of listing 10 plus companies I've never used, I'm only going to show you 3. One company I used personally, 2 were used by the people close to me, family members who were in a complete different situations, and they didn't all have the same outcome. Because the truth is, the best credit repair company has nothing to do with who is ranked number 1, and everything has to do with what you're dealing with right now. So before you pick anything, I'm going to break down exactly where they actually work and where they actually don't, so you don't have to waste time, money, and make wrong call when it actually matters. Number 1 on my list is Credit Repair Dudes. This one I actually used personally. This wasn't a light situation either. I was running the business. Things didn't go the way I expected. I ended up filing for bankruptcy. On top of that, collections, messy accounts, my score was sitting barely around 500. I couldn't qualify for anything. I wasn't looking for credit tips. I seriously needed a real cleanup. Once I signed up with Credit Repair Dudes, within 3.5 months, they cleared things up to the point where I'm now sitting at 758. What stood out to me wasn't just the results they got me. It was how they approached my situation. They didn't just start firing off random disputes. They actually audited everything first, broke down what was hurting me the most, and built a plan around my specific situation. And they were solid on the communication, not pushy, not salesy, just straight to the point. Now, they were the most expensive options out of the 3 companies I'm mentioning in the video. I paid around $299 a month because my situation was heavier. They do have lower plans around $149 a month if your profile isn't as complex. But here's the real takeaway, guys. If your situation is messy or serious, or you just got hit hard, this is the type of a company you should go with. You're not trying to save money, you're trying to fix the problem properly the first time. They fixed my problem, it really came in clutch without hustle, so that's why I'm putting them number 1 on my list. The second one is MSI Credit Solutions. My dad used these guys, so I got to see how they operate from outside. And I'll say this, they're solid, but they're not perfect. Here's what they're strong at. They move fast, they typically start work within a day, and they allow unlimited monthly disputes, which can help if you've got a lot of negative items. They also have strong overall reviews, good support from what we saw, and no upfront fee, which makes it easier to get started. So on paper, they check a lot of boxes, but here's where you need to be careful. They're not very transparent, pricing can feel unclear depending on who you talk to, and their guarantee sounds good, but it has conditions. It's not simple, you don't get your money back results type of a deal. There are requirements you have to meet. Also, while a lot of people have good experiences, there are some complaints about slow or no results, difficulty canceling, so it's not a perfect track record. Who's this actually good for? If you want something more hands-on and active, if you're okay with being involved and asking questions, and you don't mind verifying details before committing, then MSI can be a solid option. But if you want something more structured, clear and predictable, this might not be your first pick. The third one is a Safeport Law. This one's a bit different because it's more legal side of a credit repair. My cousin used them, and this type of service usually comes into play when things are more serious. We're talking heavier disputes, more complex credit issues, situations where legal pressure might help. And to be fair, that can be effective in those type of cases. But here's the trade-off. It's not for everyone. The downsides you need to know. Slower process compared to the regular dispute companies, not ideal for simple cleanups or smaller issues, and communication can feel more legal and less personal. And in some cases, you might be paying for a level of service you don't actually need. Who does this make sense for? If your situation is more complex, if you've already tried a standard credit repair and it didn't work, or you feel like your case needs more legal type of an approach, then this makes sense. But for most people watching this, this is probably not your starting point. So at this point, you've seen all three. Like I said earlier, there is no best overall company. There's only what fits your actual situation right now. And if I had to simplify this for you, if you're someone who just got denied, your credit is messy, or you just need handled properly first time, go with Credit Repair Dudes. That's the route I took. It's more structured, more dialed in, and in my case, it actually worked. If you're someone who wants something more active, you're okay with asking questions, and you don't mind verifying details as you go, MSI Credit Solutions can work. Just go into it understanding the trade-offs. If your situation is more complex, or you already tried fixing things and it didn't work, then something like Safeport Law might make more sense. But again, that's not where the most people start. One thing I want to live with you, credit repair isn't magic. There is no company that just presses a button and fixes everything overnight. And whoever tells you that, you should probably stay away from. What you're doing here is cleaning up what shouldn't be there, structuring your profile better, and putting yourself back to the position to qualify. The biggest problem that people make, they wait too long or choose based off of price, hype, or whatever ranks on Google number one. Instead of choosing based on their situation, and that's how people waste months, sometimes years, going in circles. If you're watching this, you're already at the point where something's got to change. So don't overthink it. Pick the option that actually fits where you are right now. Take action and move forward. If this video helped you understand things a little clearer, drop a comment. Let me know your situation. I'll point you to the right direction.